Hey everyone, welcome back to the T3 Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Rawtek Performance. This is a company we've been working with for a long time, but today we are featuring a new product that they just put out. Rawtek is located in Ontario, Canada, and they mainly make DPF deletes for European diesel vehicles. A lot of these vehicles are getting up there in kilometers in age where the DPF needs to be replaced. Getting it done at the dealer can cost thousands, and sometimes it can be close to a third of the price to get it deleted and tuned. With that, you'll get better mileage, more power, and more longevity of your engine and turbo, and that's just a win-win. Today we're going to be installing Rawtek's newest product, which is a DPF Delete for BMW's 2-liter diesel in the 328d model. This gets rid of the AdBlue injector, a catalytic converter, and the DPF filter. This kit right here is made in 304 stainless and 2.5-inch diameter, and it looks awesome. We can't wait to throw it in. Along with the hardware, we're going to be using TuneZilla for our tunes, which we use for all of our diesel deletes. They're located in Surrey. They offer affordable tuning, customization, and great dealer support. We highly recommend them. Let's hear what this car sounds like stock so you guys can get a before and after difference. As you can tell, there's a huge difference compared to stock exhaust. You get a little bit of turbo spool, a little bit of smoke at wide open throttle, but the performance gains are insane. Definitely recommend getting this for your 328d. Shout out to TuneZilla that gave us a custom Stage 2 tune, and Rawtek for letting us shoot this video with their brand new product that they just put out. If you have a diesel BMW and you are having problems with your DPF filter, this kit is available on our website to purchase, and you can book an appointment for tuning to get it installed. If you have a different diesel vehicle and are looking to do the same, check out our website or contact us for more info. That's all we have today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the before and after of this 328d DPF Delete and Tune. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.